Hello everyone. Today we're going to be installing a faceplate for an outlet that has a built-in nightlight inside of it. As you can see here, here's the sensor, and once it gets dark out, the nightlight automatically turns on. So this is for an outlet, and it's made by Snap Power. And Snap Power also makes them for light switches, but there's different connections in the backside of the faceplate. So please keep that in mind if you're going to order one as well. But again, let's go ahead and get started. Here is the outlet in my kitchen that I'll be installing that new faceplate with the night light in it. I'm going to use this voltage detector to determine if the power is on or off. As of right now, you can see the power to the outlet is on by the two green lights right there. So I'm going to go to the breaker panel now and shut off the breaker to this outlet. So here I am at the breaker panel, and I've already pre-labeled my entire breaker box. So I know that B21 are the kitchen outlets next to my sink. So that's what I'm going to turn off now. So B21, so we have 19, 21, and 23. So 21A is on top, 21B is on the bottom for my house. Turn that off, and then I'm going to go back to the outlet now. So I'm back at my outlet now, and you can see the two green lights are off. So I will also check the upper one to ensure the power is off, and yes it is. So now I'm going to unscrew this faceplate. And now I have the new faceplate here. And as you can see, there's two little contacts behind here. Basically, it just slides right on. And then we screw it back in. Just that simple. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the power back on and make sure that we're good to go. We don't necessarily need this because the night light will tell us if it's on or off, but I'll leave that in for a minute. Back here at the breaker panel, I'm going to turn the breaker on for that outlet. So B21. Turning it on, and I'll go back to the outlet. As you can see, I have power to the outlet, and if you cover the sensor, you can see that the night light comes on at the bottom, and actually works really well at night. Nice and bright. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, please click like. See you next time.